tutorial we'll be looking at what that abstract classes, okay, that abstract classes. And we said abstract or abstraction is part of data what encapsulation, where actual what internal working of the function hides from the user. So internal workings are hide from the user, and then it's a data what encapsulation. So this actually what interact with external what functionality, right? So let's look at the rules for what, for abstract class. The rules: abstract class can what, can have an abstract method, okay? So a method just like, you know, a function passed by object or reference, okay? Then we have if there is at least one what abstract method, then the class must be what, declared as abstract, okay? Then we have object of the abstract class cannot be created, but it can be what, extended. So we can create any object of the class, but we can only extend the class. And then abstract keyword is used to declare the abstract class. So anytime you want to declare the abstract class, you need to use the abstract keyword, okay? And abstract class can also include normal or concrete what methods. That is method with the body, right? Okay. Then the last one is all abstract method of parent class must be implemented in the subclass. Okay. So with these rules in mind, let us jump quick into the sample what, the sample code for our understanding. Okay. So I'm starting here. No, let me push the main down, and then I start with the classes up here. So if you've not watched our previous videos, we recommend you to watch so that you get the full understanding of what we're doing here. Okay, so let's say we want to first declare the abstract what? Abstract abstract class. Okay, so we want to declare abstract class here. Perfect. Okay, to declare an abstract class, we said we need to start with the keyword what? Abstract. So we need to follow this abstract, and then we have the class keyword as well, and then it comes with the what? With the class name. And this class name, we're gonna call it what? Person. Okay, so this will be an abstract person class. Abstract what? Person class. Okay, good. So in the person, since this can only be used using extension, we're gonna only have an abstract method in here. Okay, so the abstract method will return a void, and then it will be called display. It will be called what? Display info. Okay, so display info, display what? Info. That simply means display what? Information. And this is what? This is actually what? An abstract what? Method. Because a method can be what? Associated with an object. It's just like a function. And then let me name this. We say this is what? Abstract abstract method. Okay, perfect. So we have defined our abstract class here. That is very easy to do. You use the abstract keyword followed by the class and then the name of the class. Then you have your abstract method inside. That is the void display info. This is an example, okay? So let's say we have person. We're gonna have another class for girl and then a boy that will extend our abstract class. So the first one, let us extend a class called boy. Okay, so it's gonna extend our person class. Person class, okay, person, and then what are we gonna look here? Person, okay, let me have this. Then we're gonna have another extension of a girl here that will also extend our what, our abstract class. So in here we're just gonna do what we call the overriding method. We just studied this in a previous video. So we're gonna do the what, overriding. Okay, so we're gonna do the overriding method in here. Okay, overriding method, and this is simply what, calling the name of what, this one. Very easy. This one, you call this, and then you have your print inside this one. Okay, so we say the info display, then we're gonna have a print statement in here. So this is called what, overriding. Okay, so print what, mm, this is a boy. Okay, so my name is Ben. Okay, good. Then I terminate this. So you duplicate the same thing here, and then this will be my name is Abby Woman. Okay, perfect. So my name is Abby Woman here. Good. So this has what, actually extended from what, from the abstract class here. So we said in abstract class we can only do what, we can only implement the functionalities external, and we cannot do what, when you look here, we cannot have a method. Okay, we cannot have a abstract class that have a method. We cannot also do what, declare abstract, and then we cannot do what, we can only extend. We cannot do what, we cannot create. A class cannot be created, it can only be extended. Okay, and then we cannot declare the abstract class, and then we need to start with abstract keyword when we are actually creating the abstract class. And then what else, it needs to also what, also be implemented in the subclass. This cannot be implemented in the what, in the subclass. Okay, so we are only making use of what, of the abstract method. Yes, so we call the method in here. So override, so we did the override in here, and then we did the override in here, right? So we only call the abstract method, and then we did the overriding by adding what, our print statement, the same as this side. So we are implementing this inside the what, the child class. Okay, so now let's move into the main. Oh, this is for which, no, this one should be off. So in the main, what we'll do here is to create object of boy class and object of girl class here in order to display what we have on the screen. So object of boy class, we're gonna have a boy B is equal to what, the B what, B class. Then I terminate this, B class. Then we're gonna have girl G is equal to girl class, and then girl will go this way. Okay, then I terminate. Okay, excellent. Then I call what, the B, and then the B will implement the what, the display info here, and then the G will also implement the display info. What's this? We also implement what? The display info. This one. Exactly the same. Okay. Then, so we say, what is this? This is what? This is actually what? Creating object of the boy class. Yeah, creating object of the boy class. And this one is creating object of what? Of the girls class. Okay, girl class. Perfect. So let me run this, and then we see. Ooh, oops. Where is the error? Oh, I was using girls here. Then here I was using girl. Okay, so I corrected that, and then let me run again. Okay, perfect. So it's correct. My name is Baron, and my name is Abby Woman. Okay, so here, let me go over quickly. We said to create an abstract class, you need to start with the abstract keyword followed by the class keyword and then the name of the class. Then inside you can have the abstract method. And this class can be extended by other words, subclasses, and then the words overriding with method inside the subclass as well as here. So we made use of this both here and here, so form of like an encapsulation. Okay, so this is the end of this video. Peace, we out, and then we want you to subscribe to our Tech Now TV channel and also turn on the notification bell to get our next video. We're gonna see you